Cute, isn't it? He's going through the little tunnel. Wow. Birds of a feather flock together. Be flooding. Ooh. So Lord, I call you today. Please pass me by. Oh my head today. Lest I fall, guide my steps. Oh, I've lost it. All the way. Please hear my call. The other one. Oh, the fear. Where is he? Oh, I'm lost in that. Of life. Come back. Is all I now see.